Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Instagram Edits all features guide. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is simply go ahead and open the Edits application. Now, once I've done that, as you can see, I can simply go ahead and create a project by clicking on the plus and entering into my gallery and opening a video. So as you can see, here's a little project that I have going. So I'll tell you about a lot of different features it contains. So the first feature is going to be audio. You can simply go ahead and choose any Instagram music, or you can also tap on import and import from your files or from any videos. Then there's text. You can simply go ahead and write anything on the screen right over here, just like that. And you can also go ahead and play around with its color, text-to-speech, opacity, and many more right over here. Now, when it comes to the other settings, there's also voice, where you can simply go ahead and record your voice if you want to. You can also add profile links of other people, and you can also enter captions that will be auto-generated. You can also go ahead and add filters to your video by choosing simply from here. You can go ahead and adjust your colors, so exposure, clarity, highlight, shadows, and many more. The other thing you can do here, so I just mistakenly closed my application. So the other things you can do here is going to be overlay. So you can simply go ahead and add a clip on top of the clip you already have. Sound effects that you can simply go ahead and play around with. There's also cutouts where you can simply go ahead and cut out your character. There you can also add stickers from Instagram directly, and that is about it. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries,